Hi, it's Michelle with the Singing Baker, and today I have a fun Halloween cocktail for you. I thought I would make a candy corn martini. It doesn't taste like candy corn, but it has the pretty colors of candy corn when you finish. So I hope you like it, and stay tuned. So what you'll need for this candy corn martini is vodka, pineapple juice, some grenadine, a little bit of ice, and some whipped cream. And that's all you need to get started. So what I'm first going to do is I put some ice in my cocktail shaker. So we just want to do this so that it gets nice and chilled. And I'm going to pour my pineapple juice in. And this recipe will be good for about 2 people, so you can always double that if you need to. Here we have some vodka. I'm going to shake this up and get it really chilled. And you'll see that this cocktail comes together in just a couple minutes. It's really quick. All right. Okay. So the vodka and pineapple juice will give you the yellow that you want for your candy corn. Just going to pour some in each glass here. There's a little bit of a yellow tint to it. There we go. Even this up. So we're adding our grenadine, and you'll see that since the mixture is a little bit thicker than the vodka pineapple juice layer, it's actually going to sink to the bottom of the glass. There we go. All right. And then all we have to do is top it off with a little bit of whipped cream now. And you can either whip this up yourself by getting some heavy whipping cream at the store and whipping it in a mixer, or you can just buy the ready-made. And just do a nice little layer on the top. There we go. There we go. You see all the nice little layers. We've got a little bit of a reddish orange on the bottom, and then yellow, and then white. So happy Halloween. Enjoy yourself this year.